the data, they are contradicting each other. You need to make sure that you have the rule single source of truth and data validation failures, data breaches, and data quality decay. So you need to implement data maintenance routine to make sure that these things are up to date and you're sure about what you're doing. So this generally gives you a good idea of what we are trying to do today as we are doing data visualization today and data storytelling. So we are going to be jumping to Microsoft Excel as we get busy and busy and busy in today's task. Thank you. Let's progress to Excel now. Let me start with this. I think I've got something nice like this. Can you see Microsoft Excel, please? Can somebody give me a confirmation that you can see Microsoft Excel?
No.
Oh, you can't see Excel.
Is a dashboard we are seeing here, sales dashboard, you know.
Yeah, that's what you should be seeing. That's correct. That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct. Okay, good. So we want to see something like this. Or, sorry, we will potentially be able to do something like this today. So, and this is a dashboard and it's very interactive.